Sure. How you are, how you are, the way you yeah. Oh God, don't stress me out. I don't wanna take a different route. Came a long way with you. Told you I would be with you through the rain, heavy clouds, even when the sun's out. I'll be down for you, right there when no one really around for you. Oh, figure it out, here and now. She broke my heart and I won't lie, it still hurts. I don't wanna justify why I hurt you, but it's something I can't put aside. We can try and try again. We can be on opposite sides of the fence. I really feel like somebody cursed me. I don't seem to understand where you lag with your chats. You my baby, you my gang, relax. God don't cap, speak facts, all that. I told you that they out for me. Wanna see me down and out, bleeding. Girl, let's take it to the top ceiling. I won't mind if you just up and leave. I've hurt you so many times, committed so many crimes. Oh, girl, don't stress me out. I don't wanna take a different route. Came a long way with you. Told you I would be with you through the rain, heavy clouds, even when the sun's out. I'll be down for you, right there when no one really around for you. Figure it out, here and now. Oh, here and now. Oh, here and now. Oh, here and now.
Actually, why didn't we start with that? Let's start. No, delete this. Let's start over. I'm being so serious.